Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by x on numerator and denominator. So x multiplied by x and 1 over x. So we have x squared minus 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x squared. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to 2x dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by u square. This one we change by u. 2x dx we change by du. Next, I will add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So, negative number 1, negative number 8, we have negative number 9. This one, that's about identity. So that's about u minus 1 to the power of number 2. So the next one, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u minus 1 equals to number 3 secant of t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 9 secant of t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by du. So we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0. So we have du. And this one we have secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one going here. This one going here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 9 secant of t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. This one we have tan t square. The square root of 9 tan t square, we have 3 tan t. Now we need to simplify 3 secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. And this one we have t over 3, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And then you got about t equals to arcsecant of u minus 1 over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.